For the last 18 years, we've mastered the art of real-time machine monitoring for large-scale multi-plant operations. But through our experience, we've realized that real-time monitoring can only take your production team so far. Up until now, anything that requires deeper analysis also requires third-party business intelligence software. Well, not anymore. With Shoplogix, you get all the capabilities of third-party analytics tools, including interactive dashboards, email scheduling, and trend analysis, but without any setup time. All your machine and OEE data is available to you in one single place, ready to be analyzed, reported on, or exported. From now on, you only need to log into one single software for your machine production monitoring, measuring, and reporting needs. Uncover hidden production issues with pinpoint accuracy. Everything in the portal is easily labeled for you to choose from. Just pick your production metrics, and we do the rest. Empower your production, continuous improvement, quality maintenance, and executive teams to make data-driven decisions. Shoplogix out-of-the-box executive dashboard gives you a complete holistic view of your entire machine operation. No setup required. You're always one click away from an executive-level interactive dashboard. Shoplogix Manufacturing Analytics. From now on, you'll have the best of both worlds: real-time monitoring and in-depth historical analytics.